Okay guys, 2017 Nissan Versa Note, quick guide for the transmission replacement. It's already back up there, but this is the one that came out from the transmission. So basically, to make the story short, all we need to do, that's the same procedure for every single transmission, except the starter from the other side needs to come off in order to access to the torque converter bolt. There are four 14mm nuts right there, goes through the starter. You need to take the starter off. The second thing is, most of the people take the subframe out. We don't need to take the subframe out. Just take the bolts off, one here, two, and take two screw from that rack and pinion out, and then you can wiggle back the subframe. It's gonna go back enough to give you room so you can put the transmission jack and lower down the transmission all the way and swap it with the new one. Again, if you don't want to drop off the subframe, that's fine. You can do that, just like I said. Loosen it, push it a little back toward the back of the vehicle, and it's gonna give you enough room to take off the transmission. So it is CS5 transmission fluid, CVT, the type of the fluid that you're gonna need, and 5 quart is the capacity of the transmission fluid. Again, it is CS like Charlie Sam 5 CVT transmission fluid, and you're gonna need 5 quart of that in order to fill it up from the top right there. So this is a fill, so you need to take that one. There is a tab, push the tab back in there. You're gonna remove the cap, put the very narrow funnel in it, and you can fill it up slowly. 5 quart again. That's all you need to do. Sometimes you need to reprogram it, but in most cases you don't. If you get the transmission, the used transmission comes with the used TCM, transmission control module. Remember, if you get the transmission with the TCM, transmission control module, comes with it, you're not gonna need to reprogram that transmission. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck if you want to do that job. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any question or concern. Talk to you later.